Hello everybody, today we'll be starting with the progressions part, that is the arithmetic progressions, which is in the chapter 5 of your syllabus of NCERT and also in the ICC also. So this chapter arithmetic progressions is common to both 10 students of ICC as well as CBSE. Now if we observe this data, first of all what is progression? A progression is nothing but a sequence of terms which have got a specific pattern. And I'll show you what this specific pattern is as we move with the further examples. So एक specific pattern है. For example, मान लीजिए suppose the first number is 10, the second number is 12. What is the third number? 14, 16, 18. Every time you see you are adding up 2. So this is called an arithmetic progression. So when there is a constant difference clear between every two terms, it is called an arithmetic progression. Clear? Whereas I see now what is this? The first term is what? 2. Plus 3, 5, plus 3, 8, plus 3, 11. So we call the first term is denoted by symbol A, and the common difference, see what is the common difference? 5 minus 2, 3. 8 minus 5, 3. And the common difference is 3. So the first term, I say, first term, I repeat, first term is denoted by the symbol A in the arithmetic, and the common difference in arithmetic progression, we have got a common difference by symbol what? D. Clear? So what is common difference? D is nothing but what? D is nothing but this is the first term. So here in the very first example, clear? What is my the first term is A1 is 2, second term A2 is C 5, third term देखिए A3 क्या है 8. So if I tell you do A2 minus A1, clear? What is A2 minus A? 5 minus 2. And I didn't tell you do A3 minus A2, that means third term minus previous term. So what is this? Known as D, and this is what in my example, in this particular example, 5 minus 2, 3, 8 minus 5, 3, 11 minus 8, 3. So this is what in the first example it is 3. And what is the first term? A1, 2. So we call it also as by letter A. So I repeat. So if you see this example, what is the first term? 20. It is A or A1. And what is the common difference? Now see. Now the common difference is not 5 because it is decreasing. 50 minus 20 minus 5. 10 minus 15 minus 5. So if I do this, if I write this, now see, in this, the first term is what? In this example, the first term is 2. The common difference is what? Second term minus this 3. In this example, the first term is what? Tell me. 20. And what is the common difference? Minus 5. Why? Because 15 minus 20. Common difference is nothing but, take it, the next term. Clear? T2 minus T1. This is the second term minus first term. Third term, again 10 minus 50 minus 5. 5 minus 10. So this is common difference. In this example, what is the first term? Tell me. A is what? Minus 10. And what is common difference? Minus 6 minus minus 10. देखिए minus 6 minus minus 10. कितना आएगा? ये क्या आएगा? Minus 6 minus minus 10. आपका minus 6 plus 10. यानी 4. Yes or no? So if we add, now let's see whether it's right or not. Minus 10 plus 4 कितना आएगा? Minus 6. Minus 6 plus 4, minus 2. Minus 2 plus 4, 2. 2 plus 4, 6, and so on. So what is the common difference? Here D is what? 4. Now see this example. What is the first term? A1 or A? 7.5. And what is the common difference? 6.5 minus 7.50. What is comes out to be minus 0.75. If you not, he can do this. This is much easy. 6 minus 6.75. What is this? So common difference is what? Minus 0.75. Clear? Then in this example, now see what is the first term? Clear? What is the first term? 0.4. And what is the difference? 1.6 minus 0.4 minus 1.2. 2.8 minus 1.6, 1.2. So what is the first term? A the 0.4, common difference is what? 1.2. गॉट इट? क्लियर? इन दोनों अब इन सीक्वेंस को देखिए ध्यान से, इनमें ये अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन नहीं है, ये तीनों एग्जांपल्स है ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेशन के. व्हाई? आई एम टेलिंग व्हाट इज ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेशन, एंड इट इज वेरी इजी. वेयर यू हैव सेकेंड टर्म डिवाइड बाय फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकेंड टर्म डिवाइड बाय फर्स्ट टर्म शुड बी सेम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 16 डिवाइड बाय 4, 4. 64 डिवाइड बाय 4, 16. So if you multiply every term by 4, 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64, 64 into 4 is 256. So this is called as geometric progression. यहाँ भी देखिए 100 डिवाइड बाय 5, आपकी यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा था. कॉमन रेशियो, यहाँ पे कॉमन रेशियो क्या है? यहाँ पे कॉमन रेशियो को बोलते हैं R. तो इस केस में देखिए A क्या है? 4, और कॉमन रेशियो सेकेंड टर्म अपॉन फर्स्ट टर्म 16 अपॉन 4 और 64 अपॉन 16 is what? 4. Similarly, in this example, what is the first term? Common. Now these are all GP. इसमें यहाँ पे constant difference नहीं है जैसे इनमें है. तो जब constant difference रहता है, we call it arithmetic progression. But when the thing is what? Ratio. So 20 upon 100 क्या है? What is 20 upon 100? 1 upon 5. 4 upon 20, 1 upon 5. तो यहाँ पे first term क्या है? 100. और common ratio, I repeat, common ratio is what? 1 by 5. यहाँ पे देखिए 27 upon 81 क्या है? 1 by 3. 9 upon 27, 1 by 3. 3 upon 9, 1 by 3. So this is what? First term is what? 81, and common ratio is what? 1 by 3. So these are all examples of what? Geometric progression. इस टाइप की sequence of terms को हम बोलते हैं geometric progression. So there is arithmetic progression. What is the difference between arithmetic progression and geometric progression? You have got a sequence term. In this, there is a common difference between every two terms. The difference is same. In this, between every two terms, the ratio, clear? That is second term divided by first term is same as third term divided by second term, fourth term divided by third term, and so on. Clear? So this type of series is called a geometric progression. Now, let me take any of the two examples. Okay, fine, and then we'll do some exercises also from your book. Okay, now if I tell you, what is the first term in an AP, second term A plus D, if the D is the common difference, third term is what? A plus 2D, फोर्थ टर्म A plus 3D. क्या लग रहा है? देखिए आपका ये फर्स्ट टर्म है, इसको मैं बोल रहा हूँ A1. ये क्या है? सेकेंड टर्म A2. सम बुक्स दे राइट इज T1 T2. थर्ड टर्म A3. व्हाट इज दिस? फोर्थ टर्म. क्या लग रहा है? A4 है फोर्थ टर्म, और है क्या? A plus 3D, where A is the first term, D is the common difference. A plus 3D यानी 4 से 1 कम है, तो क्या लगता है by logic what will be the nth term? A plus n minus 1 into D. Why? Because if it is the fourth term, you are getting what? 4 minus 1, 3. A plus 3D. So this will be the nth term, or this will be the nth term denoted by An. So the nth term, which is in some books denoted by Tn also. Tn or An with the nth term of an arithmetic progression with first term as A and common difference as D is written as Tn or An is equal to A plus n minus 1 multiplied by D. So this is how you compute nth term. Clear? And let me tell you the use of this nth term. Okay, fine. So I repeat. देखिए दोबारा देखिए, A फर्स्ट टर्म है A1, सेकेंड टर्म देखिए A2, A plus D, A3 क्या है? A plus 2D, 3 minus 1, A4, A plus 4 minus 1D. So similarly nth term this. Now one thing very clear. So in this sequence, suppose I have got only 4 terms. I want to find what is the 25th term of this sequence. Are you getting it? So I want to find out. So question here, find the 14th term and the 25th term of this. Clear? So what will be the 14th term? टेल मी व्हाट विल बी द 14 टर्म? 14 टर्म यानी A14 क्या होगा? A14 A प्लस व्हाट 40 माइनस 1D, यस और नो? यानी A प्लस 13D. In this example, see in this example, what is A here? What is A here? First term क्या है यहाँ पे? A क्या है? 2. और common difference क्या है? 5 minus 2, 3. So what is this? 2 plus 13 multiplied by 3. So 2 plus 39 यानी 41. So see, this is the 14th term of this sequence, because the question is find the 14th and the 25th term. Similarly, A25 क्या होगा? 25th term A plus 25 minus 1D क्या होगा? यानी A plus 24D. A plus 24D. So what is A plus 24D? Tell me. What is A here in the example? 2 plus 24 multiplied by D what? 3. So 2 plus 72, 74. So we can get any term of this. Any term. Are you getting it? Clear है? तो देखिए अब ध्यान से एक और एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. ओके फाइन. If I tell you that A is 10, okay, I tell you A is suppose 28, D is minus 3. Now write the sequence. Remember that. What is the sequence? I repeat. Now another question comes like this in exam. ऐसा क्वेश्चन आता है कि आपका A 28 D minus 3 है, तो find the AP, okay, और find the first 5 terms. तो टर्म्स पहले बताइए क्या है, होंगे क्या? A प्लस D. अगर फर्स्ट 5 टर्म देखें A प्लस 2D, A प्लस 3D and A plus 4D, yes or no, and so on. Clear? So what is A here? 28. D क्या है? minus 3. तो 28 plus minus 3. 28 plus minus 3. I'll tell you 28 plus minus 3. A plus D क्या होगा? 25. तो सेकेंड टर्म क्या होगा? 25. सिमिलरली माइनस 3 और ऐड, आई एम सॉरी 25. फिर इसमें माइनस 3 ऐड करिए. 25 प्लस माइनस 3 22 प्लस माइनस 3 19 प्लस माइनस 3 16. सो दीज आर द फर्स्ट 5 टर्म्स ऑफ द सीक्वेंस. को क्वेश्चन ये था कि फाइंड राइट द फर्स्ट 5 टर्म्स ऑफ द सीक्वेंस हुज A is 28, D is minus 3. क्लियर? ओके, लेट मी गिव यू मोर एग्जाम्पल. थोड़ा लिटिल बिट टफ एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. आपकी एक्सरसाइज 5.1 का है. क्लियर है? तो द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज व्हाट? यस, 1/3 it says that A is equal to minus 1 and D is equal to 1/2. D is equal to 1/2. तो find the first 5 terms. The first 5 terms क्या है? First term is A minus 1. First term is nothing but A. minus 1 plus half. minus 1 plus half, this is the second term. तो ये क्या आएगा? ऐसे में ले लीजिए. 2 minus 2 plus 1 कितना आएगा? minus 1/2. You just have to add half. तो minus 1/2. The second term. The first term is nothing but A. What is third term? minus 1/2 plus 1/2. minus 1/2 plus 1/2. ये क्या आएगा? ये तो 0 हो जाएगा. सी 0. नाउ अगेन हाफ 1/2. अगेन हाफ ऐड करिए. हाफ प्लस हाफ क्या है? 1. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट 5 टर्म्स. सो दिस इज नथिंग बट टेकन फ्रॉम योर एक्सरसाइज 5.1 ऑफ योर बुक. क्लियर? NCERT book. Similarly, okay, so again let me take another example. A is equal to minus 1.25 and D is equal to 0.25. D is equal to 0.25. Find the question. Find the first 5 terms and also the 20th term. Now see, there are 2 questions. Also the 20th term, first 5 terms. So what is the, tell me what will the term be? A plus D. So what is first term? Minus 1.25. The very A is nothing but first term. Plus 0.25. So minus 1.25 plus 0.25. What is this? Minus 1. The second term will be what? Minus 1. Again, if I had to add plus d more. Minus 1 plus minus 1 I can write minus 1.00 plus 0.25. कितना आएगा ये? Minus 0.75. C. तो minus 0.75. Simply go on adding plus d. Minus 0.75 plus C. 0.25. ध्यान देखिए, minus 0.75 plus 0.25 कितना आएगा? Minus 0.50. Yes or no? So I can write minus 0.5. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now add one more. 0.25 to minus 0.25. Alright. So these are, and what is the 20th term? A20. क्या होगा? A plus बताइए 20 minus 1 multiplied by D. क्या होगा? A plus 19D. What is A? First term. What is A? Minus 1.25 plus 19 into 0.25. तो कितना आएगा? Minus 1.25 plus 90 into 0.25 क्या है? 4.75. So you do 4.75. See? Minus 1.25. What it comes? 5 minus 5 0, 7 minus 2 5, 4 minus 1 3. So it comes 3.5. Yes or no? Got it? So you can compute what? Any term, any term. So what was my question? My question was this. See, I just once again repeat, this is question from your book, clear exercise. A is minus 1.25, D is 0.25. Find the first 5 term and also the 20th term. So minus 1.25 plus 0.25 minus 1 plus 0.25 minus 1, then plus 0.25 minus 0.5, then plus 0.25 minus, and so on. What is 20th term? A plus 19D. Done? Clear? Okay, let me take one more question, a little difficult. Suppose the question number 4 of your exercise. Clear? I repeat, the question number 4 of exercise, which of these terms form an AP? 5.1. So 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12. Question is this an AP? Is it an AP? Let me see. Let us see. Is it an AP? Arithmetic progression short AP. So what is the difference? Minus 4 minus 0 क्या आएगा? Minus 4. Minus 8 minus 8 minus 4 क्या आएगा? Minus 8 plus 4 क्या है? Minus 4. Yes, it's right. So every time I'm getting, if I go on doing, then minus 12 minus again minus 4. So this is an AP. Clear? Are you getting it? See? I repeat, 0. Clear? Second term क्या है? Minus 4 minus 0. ये भी आपका है minus 4. See the difference same. Minus 12 minus 8. Current term minus previous term. ये difference same आना चाहिए. कितना आएगा? Minus 12 plus 8. Again minus 4. So therefore 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12 is an arithmetic progression. Done? Similarly, one more example. Okay. 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2, so on. Question is this sequence of terms forming an AP? Question ये पूछ रहा है कि is this sequence term forming an AP? So let's see. So what I have to check? I have to check whether A2 minus A1 should be equal to what? A3 minus A2 should be equal to what? A4 minus A3, and this all should be same. Clear? A3, A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. So this should be same. That is common difference. This should be there. D. Similar. Now tell me, what is A2? 3 plus root 2. Sorry. 3 plus root 2 minus 3. ये कितना आएगा? 3 कट गया तो क्या बचा? रूट 2. Yes or no? Similarly, second term, now third term minus second term. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. खोलिए इसको तो क्या होगा? 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. So 3 cancels. Root 2 minus root 2 is what? Root 2. So again same. Similarly 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 this minus this, 3 cancels. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 root 2. So therefore it is an what? AP. I repeat, therefore it is an AP sequence. Yes or no? तो ये जो sequence of terms है ये आपका AP है. So they are forming an arithmetic progression. Okay? Now let me see one more example. 0.2, 0.22, 0.222. Is this an AP? पूछ रहा है आपसे. Let's see. And one more term I'm writing. So you can guess it. 0.222. So 0.22 minus 0.2. What is it? This is what? 0.22 minus 0.20. I can write is 0.02. Clear? 0.222 minus 0.22. What is this? 0.222 minus 0.220. ये हो गया ना? 22 को हम लिख सकते हैं तो ये कितना आएगा? 0.002. Now this is 0.0 and this is, so the difference not. So 0.02 is what? Not equal to 0.002. Yes or no? So A2 minus A1. I repeat. A2 minus A1. ध्यान देखिए A2 minus A1 कितना है? 0.02. Which is you can also say 2 upon 100. And A3 minus A2 क्या है? See 0.02 which is 2 upon 1000. So this is not same. Therefore these terms ये जो क्वेश्चन में था do not form an AP. Clear? Now how to find? Okay. Let's come to exercise 5.2. Exercise 5.2. Okay. If one of the questions is check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11852. Check whether minus 50 is a term of, I repeat, this is exercise 5.2 of your NCERT book. Clear? And the question is 6. Question 6 is a term of the AP. What is the AP? 11852 and so on. 11852 so on. आपको चेक करना है क्या वेदर माइनस 150 इसका टर्म आएगा कि नहीं आएगा. So if minus 150 is some term, it should come out to be an integer term. Like this is first term, this is second term, third term, fourth term. So if I get some nth term and n should be an integer, then it minus 150 will be a term, otherwise not. So let us check. Okay, so what is here A? Tell me what is A? 11. What is D? 8 minus 11 minus 3. So what is the nth term? A n क्या होगा? A plus n minus 1 D. Clear? So let us check whether this can be an nth term or not in general. So we'll find the value of n. If the value of n comes out to be an integer, then it is a term, otherwise it is not. So an is what? Minus 150. Minus 150 is equal to A. What is A? 11 plus n minus 1 multiplied by what? Minus 3. ये कितना आएगा? See, 11 minus 3 into n कितना होगा? Minus 3n. Minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. कितना है? 14 minus 3n. So 14 minus 3n. Clear? 14 minus 3n is equal to minus 150. That means, therefore, minus 3n क्या होगा? Minus 150 minus 14 यानी minus 164. तो n क्या आएगा? Minus 164 divided by minus 3. Now minus minus cancel. So 164 upon 3. It is what? 54 2 by 3. It is not an integer, which is not, I repeat, an integer. Clear? So n is equal to, so see, here I repeat, in this case n is equal to what? 54 2 by 3. I repeat, which is not an integer. N should come out to be integer. Therefore, minus 150, what was the question? Therefore, minus 150 is not a term of the AP. Clear? The question is, check करना था whether minus 150 is a term of the AP or not. So minus 150 is not a term of the AP. सिंपल क्लियर है. आपका A 11 था, D minus 3 था, आपने n टर्म को minus 150 डाला. अगर ये n इंटीजर आता है, क्लियर, तो ये टर्म है. नहीं आता है तो ये टर्म नहीं है. क्लियर? लेट मी डू अनदर सम. क्लियर? 2 APs have the same common difference. Okay, so question number 10. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Question number 10C. The 17th, I repeat, just one second. Another question, question number 10. The 17th term of an AP exceeds the 10th term, is the 10th term? 10th term by 7. By 7. Find the what? Common difference. Common difference. आपको common difference निकालना है, यानी D की value. See the question. The 17th term of an AP exceeds the first 10th term of the AP by 7. Find the common difference. Solution. So let's do. This is the question number 10 of exercise what? 5.2 of your NCERT book. So let A be the first term. I am just writing as arrow. Let A be the first term and D be the what? Common difference. Clear? Then what will tell me? What will be the 17th term? 17th term क्या होगा? A 17 क्या होगा? A plus 17 minus 1 D. Yes or no? So A plus 16 D. अब आपकी आदत अच्छी होनी चाहिए, थोड़ा फास्ट करिए. Now you should be fast. Simply what is the 10th term? ए प्लस 10 माइनस 1 इंटू डी, ये क्या होगा ए प्लस 9d. Now understand the language of the question. 17 term a plus 16d exceeds मतलब ज़्यादा है the 10th term by 7, मतलब 17 term और 10th term का डिफरेंस क्या है 7. According to the language of the question 17 term 10 term से कितना ज़्यादा है 7. So given that now a17 minus a10 ये दिया आपको is what 7. What is a17? a plus 16d minus what is a10? a plus 9d equal to 7. अगर आपको निकालिए तो a तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा, yes or no? 16d minus 9d क्या होगा 16d minus what 9d is what 7. Therefore 16d minus 9d क्या होगा 7d बराबर 7. Therefore d equal to what 7/7 1. So what is the question? Find the common difference. So answer D is 1. So this answer D equal to 1. ये निकालना भी था. Clear? Let me take another question. For what value of the n other terms 63? So let me take one more question. Wait. For what value of n are the nth terms? For what value of n? आपको n की वैल्यू निकालनी है. Are the nth terms of two APs are the nth terms of टू APs अलग अलग हैं. पहला AP है 63, 65, 67, 63, 65, 67 dot and the second AP is what 3, 10, 17, 3, 10, 17 dot equal. क्वेश्चन देखिए ध्यान से. I repeat equal. So this is what question number 15 of your exercise 5.2 sorry NCERT book. I repeat, क्या क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है? For what value of n are the nth terms of two APs? The first AP is what this and the second AP is 3, 10, 17 and so on. Equal. Now let us take the first term, first AP. Now I am coming to solution. तो पहला AP सीक्वेंस क्या है बताइए. पहला AP ठीक है 63, 65, 67 yes or no डॉट. तो n इसका n टर्म क्या होगा an क्या होगा a प्लस n माइनस 1d yes or no. What is a 63 प्लस n माइनस 1. What is d 65 minus 63 2. Clear? So what it comes out to be 63 plus 2n minus 2 कितना आएगा 63 minus 2 61. तो 2n plus 61. Now take the second AP जो दिया in the question. Take the second AP क्या है आपका टर्म्स क्या 3, 10, 17 so on. इसका n टर्म क्या होगा a plus again same formula but here a is different. What is a 3 plus n minus 1. See, I repeat, I am not going fast. A is what 3. n term is what a plus n minus 1 d. A is 3, d क्या है 10 minus 3 7, 17 minus 10 7. So 3 plus n minus 1 into 7. तो 7 into n कितना होगा 7n. तो ये क्या आएगा 3 plus 7n minus 7. 3 minus 7 कितना होगा minus 4. तो 7n minus 4. अब क्या दिया है फॉर व्हाट वैल्यू ऑफ n आर दी nth टर्म्स इक्वल. इसका मतलब क्या होगा आपको इसको इक्वेशन 1 nth टर्म इसका है इक्वेशन 2 को इक्वेट करना है इक्वल. सो देयरफॉर इक्वेटिंग मतलब क्योंकि nth टर्म सेम है 1 and 2 we get. Why we are equating, tell me? Because nth term of this in the question is same as nth term of this sequence, which is what? This. So what is this? 2n plus 61 is equal to 7n minus 4. If you take 7 in here, the 2n minus 7n is equal to minus 4 minus 61. If I take 61 here minus, therefore minus 5n is equal to minus 65. n का कितना होगा? minus 65 अपॉन minus 5, माइनस माइनस कैंसिल हो गया, तो ये क्या आएगा? 13. So answer n is equal to 13. क्लियर है? ओके, तो आर गेटिंग इट? आप चेक करना चाहते हैं? यू वांट टू सी इट? शुड आई रिवाइज इट? ओके, आई रिवाइज इट. 63, 65, 67. What is A? 63 plus, what is difference here? 2. 60, so 63 plus n minus 1 into 2. Clear? So this is 2n plus 61. In this sequence, 3, 10, 17. What is A? 3. What is D? 7. So what is nth term? A plus n minus 1, 3 plus n minus 1 into 7. So 3, 7 to n 7, 7 to minus 1, this. If you add 3 minus 7, minus 4, 7 minus. Now ये दोनों terms बराबर दिया है कि what, for what value of n are these n nth terms equal. So we get this 2n plus this. Now taking here this, so 2n minus 7, इसको यहाँ ले minus लेके minus 4 minus 61. If it is not visible, I write clearly. So minus 5n बराबर क्या? minus 65. Therefore minus 5n बराबर n क्या होगा? minus 65 upon minus 5 यानी 13. You want to check it? Let's see. चेक करते हैं आंसर सही कि नहीं. कैसे चेक करेंगे? वेरीफाई. देखिए बहुत फास्ट है इसका. क्लियर? इसका 13 टर्म क्या होगा? A13. जल्दी बताइए. 63 प्लस 13 माइनस 1 इंटू 2. यस और नो? तो कितना आएगा? 63 प्लस 30 माइनस 1 कितना है? 12. 24 बराबर कितना आएगा? 87. तो ये आपका 13 टर्म आ गया. अब दूसरी सीक्वेंस क्या थी? दिस इज हाउ टू वेरीफाई दो इट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. व्हाट आर सेकंड सीक्वेंस? 3, 10, 17. 3, 10, 17. ये आपकी सेकंड सीक्वेंस थी. देखते हैं इसका 13 टर्म सेम आता है कि नहीं. A13 क्या आएगा? 3 प्लस 13 माइनस 1 इंटू डी. डी क्या है इसका? 7. तो 3 प्लस 12D. सॉरी, हाँ, 3 प्लस 12 इंटू 7. 12 इंटू 7. 84 plus 3, see, same. You found out also and checked also. So this is verification. ये आपको verify करने का तरीका था. Whether you, though it is not required, I'm just telling how to verify. Done? Now, so, okay. Another question is, question number 16. Determine the AP. Question. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and third term is 16 and seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Exceeds the fifth term by 12. By 12. So determine the AP whose third term is 16. तो यहाँ पे दो चीज़ें, third term 16 दिया है, ये एक fact दिया है, and seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. So let's solve it. Solution. Now let what? Let A comma D be first term and common क्या? Difference. Yes or no? Common difference. Clear? Tell me third term क्या होगा? A3 is equal to A plus 2D. यही तो होगा? A plus C minus 1D. तो ये कितना दिया है 16, यानी एक इक्वेशन तो आपको बन गई कि a प्लस 2d बराबर 16, ये आपका इक्वेशन हो गया। क्लियर? नाउ सेवेंथ टर्म a7 exceed the fifth term minus a5 equal to by 12. Now tell me what will be a7? a plus 60, and in term का फॉर्मूला क्या है? a plus n minus 1d. Therefore a plus 6d minus what will be a5? a plus 4d बराबर 12. तो ये क्या आएगा? a कैंसिल करके 6d माइनस 4d, ये सुनो 6d माइनस 4d बराबर 12. Therefore d क्या होगा? 12/2 यानी 6. So putting d is equal to 6 in 1 we get क्या होगा? a plus 2 multiplied by 6 equal to 16. Therefore a is equal to 16 minus 2 into 6 कितना होगा? 12. और इसको यहाँ ले जाइए तो 12 माइनस हो जाएगा, तो यानी 4. यानी a आपका 4 आ गया और d आपका कितना आया? 2. ये सुनो क्या निकालना था? डिटर्मिन द AP मतलब उसके टर्म्स. तो वंस दिस इज द a, द फर्स्ट टर्म इज 4, d इज द कॉन्स्टेंट. व्हाट इज द सीक्वेंस ऑफ टर्म्स? तो AP क्या होगा बताइए? 4, 6, 2 ऐड करते 8, 10, डॉट डॉट. सो दिस इज AP सीक्वेंस. When I say AP sequence determine करना था, उसका फर्स्ट टर्म निकालना है एंड कॉमन डिफरेंस. I'll just revise it. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. That means seventh minus fifth का डिफरेंस क्या है? 12. ध्यान से किया. Let A be the first term, D be the common difference. थर्ड टर्म मतलब a plus 2d बराबर 16, तो a plus 2d हमारा 16 है, a और d निकालना है. Now a7 minus a5 is 12. What is a7? a plus 6d. What is a5? a plus 4d. इनको माइनस किया तो a कैंसिल आउट हो गया. 6d माइनस 4d कितना? 2d बराबर 12. Therefore d बराबर 12/2 यानी 6. इस d को 6 से इसको यहाँ सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दीजिए. तो a प्लस 2 इंटू 6 बराबर 16. तो a क्या होगा? 16 माइनस 12, 4. दैट्स ऑल. Got it? So that's all clear. So this is the first exercise 5.1, 5.2 for NCERT students. For ICC students also clear. This type of the problem is same. Only thing that your book is different. Probably you might be having maybe the book of O.P. Malhotra or ML Agarwal as your textbook, but the type of questions are the same. Clear? Because the topic is the same, arithmetic progressions. So we'll be continuing this more in the next session. We'll be doing sum of n terms, the derivation of the formula, and some more exercises, some more advanced problems, and also I'll be taking up the questions from your board, clear, which are in the board exams of mathematics paper. That's all. Thank you, dear students. Have a good day.